Do you know what's the first step in data analysis? It's importing files. You might be wondering what's hard about that. We get a CSV file and using Pandas read CSV function, we can easily import the CSV file and convert it to a data frame. But this is not always the case. You won't always get a CSV file. Sometimes you might need to import files using an API or extract valuable data from a database. In this session, we will explore how to import CSV and TSV files using Pandas parameters. Before that, let's understand what CSV and TSV files are. CSV files are like tables in Excel but simpler. They store data separated by commas. That is why they are called comma separated values. A TSV or tab separated values is a text-based file format used to store structured data in a tabular format separated by tabs. Since we will be using Pandas parameters to transform comma or tab separated values into a nicely formatted data frame, we must understand what parameters are. Think of parameters as the instructions you give to Pandas functions to tell them exactly what you want to do. Let's take a practical example. You want to import a local CSV file. How would you do that? Obviously, you will use Pandas read CSV function to import the local CSV file and you can easily get your data frame. It's that simple. Suppose we have a TSV file that looks like this. You can see that all the values are separated by tabs, but they are represented in a single column. Do you think this is a clear data frame? Can you infer anything from it? No, right? To transform this into a nice looking data frame, we use sep parameter. Sep means separator. By default, it's a comma. But in this case, our values are separated by tabs. So we will specify a tab in the sep parameter. Now this is what our output looks like. The data frame still looks a bit odd. Yes, the columns are labeled with numbers. Now our task is to provide names to each column of our data frame. And for that, we will use names parameter. Now it looks like a clear data frame and we can easily analyze our data. But do you know how a data scientist gathers information from data frame? We will explore that in detail in the next session. Stay tuned. Till then, keep learning and keep smiling. Thank you.